If you want to set up receiver on Amazon Fire Stick for surround sound, then you are at the right place. We have got the easy way that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: set up receiver from settings. From the home screen, head to settings. Go to equipment control. Next, select manage equipment. Go to add equipment. Here, you can set up your receiver and sound bar. Now let's select the receiver. Wait till the remote gets prepared for setup. When you go to the receiver section, find the brand you want to use. Then go ahead and follow the setup on Amazon Fire Stick. And there you have it, the way to set up receiver on Amazon Fire Stick for surround sound. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this method. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.